Yeah, standing at a work site. Beautiful, handsome young guy. Pounding some things into a, here. That's how they do that. I wonder how they put these tubes in the ground. I know how to do it. That's how they do it. I see. Push that up, pulling that up. That's how they do it. Knocking that pole right out of the ground. Here they're getting ready to drill some more over here. I don't know how they do it, but that's how they do it, yes. Biggest beautiful show watching these guys doing the work. I'm down here watching them do it. That's some nice guys out there. Damn, I wish I want to leave my bed tonight. They built a new condominium, the 14 floors. According to what I did speak to work supervisor the other day. And the guys are handsome looking, aren't they? Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, going up 30, yep, more ground. Let's see, you can drill the hole probably down about 40 feet at least. This one drill down. That's pretty big of a rig up height of these rigs here. That's about 50 feet. So they could drill down deeper than that if they need to. Could go down about 50 feet down in the ground. It's about the same stuff to you. What they're doing boring out for a mine, they do exact same stuff. A little bigger than that, but that's how they do it. It's pretty cold. I feel a cold wind still. Oh, a little bit of easterly wind here today. Not really going to feel warm like it yesterday. Cold. Wow, these beautiful men working hard. No darn, that's how they get them out of there like that. Now I see how they do it. I wonder how they do that. Let's see, that's got a pretty long one there too. Now about 15 feet. Oh, 15 feet. Now about 15 feet. Almost into a water table. Oh, somebody has a guy go through. There you go through. I'm gonna, wow, pretty interesting to watch. Now I gotta get going here. I get that into and what now. Vlog over. This is 40-story condo build here. Vlog over.